Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of listening and viewing, in which we will first of all learn some new vocabulary words, then their meanings, and after that you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about rhyme. So, open up page number 19 and let's get started. First of all, let us look at some new vocabulary words. Repeat these words after me. The first word is stepped. S T E P P E D. Stepped. The second word is noises. 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 The third word is motorcycles. 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 The fourth word is rubbish. 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 The fifth word is piled. 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 Next we have nasty. 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 The next word is canal. 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 Dirt. 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 Horrible. 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 And the last word is joke. Joke. Very good. Now that you know some new words, let's learn their meanings. The first word was stepped, which means moved your foot and put it down in a different place. Noises are sounds that are loud. Motorcycles are vehicles with two wheels and an engine. Rubbish is the waste material. Piled means to put things on top of the other. Nasty means very bad. Canal is an artificial long narrow stretch of water. Dirt means mud. Horrible also means very bad. Choke means difficulty in breathing or cough. Now learn these new words and their meanings, and then use these words in your creative sentences.